Hey, I'm gonna do a quick how-to on how to take this that's been in a nasty, wet, messy bun all night to extensions using Healium Hair. So we'll do a quick little how-to and show you how we go from this to this, like that. That's how the kids do it now, right? I think. So let's see how we did this. So first off, I want to get rid of some of these kinks and bends in the hair and this nasty, I don't even know what you call this, frizz. So I am actually going to spray Body 5 onto my hair dry, and then I'm going to restyle it with heat. This is a really nice, very dry spray. It's not wet at all. And water soluble. So when I rinse, it rinses out. So just saturate the hair. Definitely get these nasty ends that need to be straightened. Now my hair is also cut to wear extensions. It's layered and a little bit longer in the back. So let's give it a quick blow dry. Now that was literally what, maybe 20 seconds with my blow dryer, my Body 5, and my detangling brush. That's it. So we went from this to this so far. So I'm gonna go around and do the rest. Styling tip as well. I am not using high heat on my dryer. I am using low heat. And to seal in a little extra shine, you can always hit your cool air right at the end to finish off your blow dry. And we have something to work with now. Okay, don't mind him. Now I'm going to take my air dry shampoo. And what's nice about this is it has aluminum starch, so it soaks up any extra oils or residue. Since I didn't wash my hair last night, I just want to spray a little of this right on my part at the root, because I tend to be a little oily or greasy around my hairline, either from my makeup or my face moisturizer at night. See, there's no residue. We'll just work that in with our fingers at the root. Okay, so now we go on to extensions, okay? I use clip-ins. Okay, mine are from Sally's. They're great quality, great color, and these work well for me. So, I start with my longest piece in the back. First gonna pin this up. And I like to use Fiber Flex right where I'm going to be placing my clips, because it's got a sticky and tacky texture to it. It's actually a gel base and an aerosol spray. So as it continues to dry, it will actually create fibrous webs. And those adhere to the hair, creating a bit of a tackiness as well. Spray that in, take my weft, and I create a circular motion almost to create a little bit of a knot, and then clip in. Same on this side here. Gives it something to hold on to. Okay, now we're gonna move up, do the next row. We're gonna go right above that one, do the exact same thing. Go in with Fiberflex. Now I'm gonna go in with my next pieces. Here, create a knot and clip. Go around, create a knot and clip. Feel my part and clip. And we got another piece for the other side here. Oops. Create a knot and clip. Create a knot and clip. Okay, we got one more layer to go. Looking better already. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing, come up one more row. Now we're gonna go through and curl so these all match up. Spray a little of this for texture. One thing that's nice about Healium Hair Products is they are virtually weightless, meaning if you have fine and thin hair, they don't weigh your hair down at all. They don't leave any residue, doesn't leave the hair feeling sticky or greasy, and everything is water soluble. So when water hits it, it rinses out. There is nothing left. So you don't have second day product left in your hair. Let's move to the other side. Of course, every single product has sunscreens for color protection. We all spend a ton of money at the salon visiting our magicians, right? So we need to do what we can to keep that hair looking healthy and shiny and not fading. Okay, now that the curls are done and cooling, I'm going to hit them with just a little burst of our air hairspray, okay? The air hairspray is a working spray, which means you can brush it onto hair, but still comb right through it. It doesn't leave it stiff or sticky, okay? So I think we're all the way cooled. We're gonna go ahead and brush through. Little hit of dry shampoo just to give it a little texture and separate the curls a little bit. You see there's no residue. And we're done. So using a few of my friends, I was able to achieve literally a wake up, sloppy, messy bun hair to this in under 15 minutes. So hopefully you'll give it a try too.